Hello everyone, I am Kajal Jha, lecturer in Pravin Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Program is Electrical Engineering Department, class EE4I, semester 4th. Course name Digital Electronics and Microcontroller Applications, that is DEM, DEM. Course code is 22421. Now in this video we will see the NOR and NAND gate. Why it is called as universal gates we will see in a previous video. Now in this video we will construct the basic gates, that is OR, NOT and AND gate, using the NAND gate only and using the NOR gate only. Okay, so let's see. Okay, first NAND gate as a universal gate. So first basic gate is NOT gate. So we know that if we draw the AND gate, okay, if we draw the AND gate and if we put a bubble, okay, if we put bubble or small circle at the output side, then it is called as NAND gate. NAND gate means not AND. Okay, so using NAND gate we have to plot NOT gate, or we have to construct NOT gate. Then how it is possible? Because NOT gate having only one variable, but the NAND gate have two variables. Okay, so simply what we do here, we will short circuit to both the inputs and make it as a single input. Okay, we will short circuit both the inputs A and B and we will make the single input, that is here it is A and B, then A is equal to B. If we called as A, then it is also right, and if we called as B, then it is also right. Then what is the output? Y is equal to, because it is output will be same, that is nothing but the output is a NOT gate. Okay, output of the AND gate, then output of the OR gate, output will be same, but the construction is using the NAND gate. So Y is nothing but what? A bar. Okay, Y is nothing but what? A bar. Why? Because A is equal to, okay, here what we will say, A and B are both are the short circuit. Okay, we will short circuit both the inputs. So here A is equal to what? B. Okay, A is equal to what here? B. So A, and if we pass the pass A using if we pass the A through the NAND gate, then we will get what output? Y is equal to A bar. Y is equal to A bar. Okay, then next is equal to AND. Next is what? AND gate. Then for AND gate, here AND gate having two inputs, right? A and B. Then what we have to do here? First, okay, first here and NAND gate is applied, right? So the output will be what? At the output, what we will get here? A dot B whole bar. Okay, what we get here? A dot B whole bar at the output of this first NAND gate. Okay, now we give that output to the second NAND gate, then what we will get? That is A dot B bar double bar. And we will see in the previous video, complement of complement is nothing but the variable itself. Okay, so if A have a double complement of A is nothing but what? Variable itself, that is A. Then here complement of A dot complement, double complement of A dot B is what? A dot B. So at the output we get A dot B. Okay, this is nothing but the, using NAND gate we will construct the AND gate. Okay, now for OR gate. Okay, now for OR gate we will here we will use here three and NAND gates. Okay, we will use here three NAND gates. So first NAND gate is used for A input and second NAND gate is used for B input. Okay, second NAND gate is used for B input. So here OR gate. So at the output we get what? First NAND gate output what? A bar, and second NAND gate output is B bar, right? And if we give that both the inputs, it becomes a input for the third NAND gate. Then what we will get here? A bar, okay, A bar dot B bar, okay, this is the inputs. Then whole bar, okay, A bar dot B bar whole bar. Then you will you know that the De Morgan's theorem, okay, you will know that you have know that De Morgan's theorem, dot replaced by plus and complement of what? Individual elements. The complement of individual elements A bar is and whole bar is converted into single bar. Then this B and bar whole bar is converted into single bar. So A double bar is what? A, and B double bar is what? B. So this is nothing but the equation for OR gate. Okay, we use here De Morgan's theorem for simplify that equation. Okay, this means it is nothing but the A plus B. Okay, but for understanding we simplify that. Now the fourth gate, that is NOR gate. Okay, we have to construct a NOR gate using what? NAND gate. So first here A, then B. What is the output of first NAND gate? Is A bar, and second NAND gate is B bar. Again third NAND gate, the output is what? A bar dot B bar and whole bar of this third NAND gate. This bar is what? For third NAND gate, and this is the A bar dot B bar. Now it will again pass through the NAND gate. So output of this, if we see here, this portion is similar. Okay, this is also contains a 3 NAND gate, and this is also contains the 3 NAND gates. So this will what will give after this construction? Y is equal to A plus B. Okay, but if we take another NAND gate, then it will give what? A plus B whole bar. So this is A dot B whole bar. So this is nothing but what? NOR operation. And now we use here De Morgan's theorem, because the NOR operation is what? A bar plus B bar, right? Because here dot is present, so it is not NAND operation, but the NAND gate is the A bar dot B bar, A dot B whole bar. So if we apply the De Morgan's theorem, then we get what? A dot B bar, A dot B whole bar is nothing but what? Sum of individual complements. Okay, sum of individual complements. Thus, using NAND gate, we will construct the 4 gates, that is basic gates and NOR gate likewise. Okay, now next is using NOR gate as a universal gate. So first, similar for NOR gate, instead of AND gate we use here NOR gate. Instead of NAND gate we use here NOR gate, and we will short circuit both the inputs. So A is equal to B here. Okay, so this is nothing but NOT operation. So Y is equal to what? Y is equal to what? A dot B, A plus B whole bar. Okay, A plus B whole bar. But here what? A is equal to B, so A dot A whole bar, that is nothing but A dot A is what? A, so A bar. Okay, this will gives the NOT equation. Then now second, OR. Here instead of NAND gate we use 2 OR gates. Okay, input is A and B. Then what is the output for the first NOR gate? A bar plus B bar. This is the output for the first NOR gate. Okay, if we pass that equation or that input to second through the second NOR gate, then what we will get? Y is equal to A bar plus B bar. This is the output. Okay, output of the first NOR gate, and this NOR gate will produce here bar over here. Okay, so if we simplify that, then we get the A plus B. Okay, if we simplify that, we will get the A plus B. Okay, now, okay, we get the A plus B here. It is how it is possible, because if we simplify, then we get here A plus B whole bar, sorry, here A plus B whole bar, and A plus B double inversion means what? The variable itself. So here variable is what? A plus B. So here answer is A plus B. Then now AND gate, here also 3 logic gates are used, that is nothing but NOR gate is used. So first output for the first NOR gate is A bar, second NOR gate is B bar. Okay, so what is the output for the third NOR gate? So here A plus B, okay, here A bar, and here it is B bar. So what are the output for the third? So A bar plus B bar, and this NOR gate provides the bar over here. Then A bar, if we provide the De Morgan's theorem, then we get dot. Instead of plus, we make a dot, and inversion of means complements of each variable. So A bar bar A and B bar bar, that is B. So we get this equation. Now NAND gate, this portion, okay, this portion and this portion is same. Okay, so we will get here Y is equal to what? A dot B. Okay, but if we add again one NOR gate, then we simply get bar over here. Okay, this is nothing but the NOR gate, NAND gate using NOR gate. These all the possible combinations, and these all the possible constructions using NAND and NOR gate. Now we will see the some equations, okay, some Boolean algebra. So we have to find out what is the equation for the what is the equation, that is Q, equation for the Q. So first here 3 variables are used. So first is NAND gate. Okay, we will see one by one here. Okay, this is first, then this is second, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth, and last one this. Okay, so first for first, what is the equation? Here 3 variables are used. So A dot B dot C, you see here. Okay, A dot B dot C. Then here A bar is used. Here NOT gate is used means what? B bar is a input for a fourth gate, and here NOT gate is used means C bar is input for a fourth gate. Then what is the output for this point? At that point, what is the output? Output is B bar plus C bar. See here. Okay, B bar plus C bar. Now the B bar plus C bar as an input for this fifth gate. Okay, this is the AND gate, and this A will give here. So this is A. So what is the output at this point? So what will be the output for this point? A, and AND gate provides a dot. Okay, and this is B bar plus C bar. Okay, this is B bar plus C bar. This is equation. And what is the final equation Q? So final equation is nothing but the OR. So plus sign is there. So first term is this, that is A, B, C, and remaining second term is this at that point. Okay, so this is nothing but A plus this equation. So we get A dot B dot C plus A dot B bar plus C bar. Okay, this is very easy. If we see one time again. Okay, first we have to see what is the output for this NAND gate, AND gate. Okay, this is the AND gate, and AND gate shows the multiplication. So there is a 3 variables to AND gate. So here A, then B and C. This is the output for this, and this output is become the input for the last gate. Then now B for the second OR gate here, for this OR gate, input is what? Here B, and it is inverted B, so here we will write B bar, that is not B. Okay, so here, and again this point is taken from this point, so C means not C, the C bar. Okay, and B bar and C bar is represents the input of OR gate. This is the OR gate, so OR gate represents the plus sign, right? So this is B bar plus C bar. Okay, then B bar plus C bar becomes the input for this AND gate, and second input is nothing but A. So what is the output at that point? A, and it shows the AND operation, so dot, and remaining is input is, second input is this B bar plus C bar. At the end, the input, this is the output of this NAND gate, AND gate is becomes the input for this OR gate, and this is the OR gate equation. So OR gate equation contains the plus sign and addition of these two variables. Okay, so ABC plus A dot in a bracket B bar plus C bar. Okay, now we see the second problem. If we see draw the truth table for that, then ABC, here three variables are there. Okay, that is three inputs are there, so combinations are 8. How it is possible? Because 2 to the power 3, that is nothing but 8, and we will discuss in the previous lecture, that is half of 8 is nothing but 4, and we will start the truth table by using 0. Okay, so you have to write like this, ABC. Okay, you can't write ABC. Okay, you have to write ABC likewise. Okay, means unit place A and then B and then C. Okay, so ABC, so 4 0, because half of 8 is 4, so 4 zeros and 4 1. Then half of 4 is 2, so 2 zeros and 2 1, again 2 zeros and 2 1. Then half of 2 is nothing but 1, so 1 0 1. Okay, 0 1 0, but it is starts from 0 only. Then what is the ABC? ABC is nothing but what? It is the product, that is multiplication. 0 into 0 into 0 is 0. Then 0 into 0 into 1 is 0, because multiplication of in a multiplication, if we multiply any number with 0, then it gives the 0. So the last one operation, that is 1 dot 1 dot 1, is give the 1. Now B bar and C bar, so simply put, okay, simply take a second and third column. B bar means what? Not B, so 0 1 0 1, then here 0 1, then again 0 1 1 0, then 1 0 0 1, then 0 1 and 1 0 and 1 0. Okay, simply this is. Then what is the C bar? Okay, the NOT gate of C bar. Not C means what? 0 1, here 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, this is nothing but C bar. So addition of this means what? B bar plus C bar, then addition of this, so 1 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay, now A dot B bar plus C. So we take this column and this column. Okay, so we take this column and this column. Okay, so dot operation means it is a simply multiplication. 0 into 1 is 0, then 0 into 1 is 1 into 1 is 1, then 1 into 0, 1 into 0 into 1 is 0, then 1 into 1 is 1, then 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, then 0 into 0, okay, 0 is then 1 into 0 is 0. So we get this column, and last output is nothing but this. Okay, last output is what? Dot of both. Okay, that is a dot or plus here. the plus sign of both, right? Plus sign of both means what? We take a simply addition of this column. Okay, we take a addition of these two last columns. So 1 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is, here 1 plus 0 is 1, okay, 1 plus 1 is 1, then 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 0 is 0 plus 0 is 0, okay, by mistakenly it is 0. Okay, this is the truth table for the equation. Now this is the simple equation. Then what is the output of the AND gate? Here two variables are used. Okay, here it is B is the input and A is the input. So A dot B, this is the answer for the AND gate. Then here NOR gate is used because here bubble is present. So this is a NOR gate. So here also two inputs are used, A and B. So what is the output of the NOR gate? That is A plus B whole bar. So last one is addition, that is OR gate. So Q is what? AB plus A plus B whole bar. Okay, this is the equation for that. Now similar we will see, and similar we will prepare the truth table for that. Okay, 0 0, then 0 1, 4 combinations because 2 inputs, then 4 combinations here. Okay, 4 combinations. So 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Then A dot B what? 0 dot 0 is 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, and 1 into 1 is 1. Then A plus B whole bar, that is A plus B, that is 0 plus 0. So first we will write what is the A plus B. Okay, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 1. So A plus B whole bar, then 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, so output is what? AB plus this. Okay, AB plus this is nothing but Q. So we simply made addition of last two columns. Okay, addition of these columns, that is final equation Q is nothing but AB plus this. So 0 plus 1 is 1, then 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, and 1 plus 0 is 1. This is the truth table for the equation. Okay, now we will see in a next video, that is what are the characteristics of logic families. Thank you.